The LG V20 user, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Arena 2 for AT&T PREPAID. So this is what the phone looks like here. It looks very nice. Really nice phone here. It's currently out of stock. So it's available everywhere. They should be left for storage. Nice little phone, nice wallpaper and stuff like that. So this LG Arena 2 is a phone I've never heard of. Pretty nice phone, like I said. You do have the power button on the right side, ring keys on the left side, and you also have a Google Assistant key on the left side. You get the earpiece in the back, 18.9 screen. The LG Arena 2 has 5.45 and 6.8 megapixel camera, long lasting battery, and expandable memory. It says it's a smartphone that accomplishes more. One that looks and feels great. One with a sharp and quick camera for people who love to build memories, have fun, and learn in the fast lane. One with power. The Arena 2 has you covered. Alright. Pretty interesting name for the phone. If you're one, there's no LG Arena 1, just the LG Arena 2 is interesting. So it does look more like the Style 5, but the screen is smaller. You have the camera from the back, AT&T logo, LG logo, the double image like the square color, which is very nice. And your SIM card. SIM card is on the left side of the phone, so that is not going out. On the bottom of the LG Arena 2 device, micro USB charging port right there. Unfortunately, I wish it was Type-C. I'm getting tired of this micro USB. I'm tired of it, so that sucks there. You got speaker, microphone, and headphone right there. It sucks that there's some of the stuff like micro USB cables and earphones stuff. Specialist one. The dimensions on the LG Arena 2, 5.78 inches height, 2.81 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. The LG Arena 2 weighs 5.18 ounces. The display in the LG Arena 2, 5.45 inches, 720p HD plus 1440 by 720 pixels, 16 million colors. You have an 8 megapixel rear-facing camera with autofocus, LED flash, and 4x zoom. You get 720p video at 30 frames, Full HD at 30 frames, and QCI up at 15 frames, and video playback at Full HD at 30 frames, 5 megapixel front-facing camera with selfie light. You get audio shot, gesture shot, timer, 8 lock, fast time shot, live time shot, selfie filter, and portrait image there, which is very nice. 3000 mAh battery up to 13 hours talk time. 25 days standby time. Snapdragon 425 processor, 1.4 GHz quad core, 32 gigabytes of storage. Scramble up to 32 gigabytes of micro SD card and 2 gigabytes of RAM. It has Android 9.5 on there. It might get 10, who knows. Your range of the LG Arena 2, 2, 4, 5, 12, and 14. It's a GSM phone, of course, real phone with quad band, HD voice, Wi-Fi, and AT&T video capable. You have Wi-Fi connectivity for the LG Arena 2, 802.11 BGM, KIR, whatever all these names come from. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. No suppression by NXP. Wireless emergency and manage SIM card. Now has a lot of apps. AT&T, let's include AT&T hotspots, AT&T messages, backup and sync, Facebook app manager, QI, AT&T remote support, AT&T vehicle, AT&T visual voicemail, AT&T Wi-Fi calling, AT&T call purchase, AT&T mobile security, AT&T website, games, Google Pay, Google search widget, and LG apps is quick limit plus, LG music, LG graphics, LG smart world, smart current, and file manager, LG, and my AT&T provides fast, easy account access, spreadsheet, anywhere, 10 sensors sensors like accelerometer, ambient light, JavaScript and facsimile, messages, and email, music, and school play music, and audio music. Accessibility there, just sustainability there, product codes, which has been advised. Oh, what you guys getting about is got all that the rest of the LD 22 charging cable, charging brick, and your box and shit. So that's another one special special in the box as well. So there you have it. The LG 22 got 8. It's a double mount AT&T prepaid. I think it's like 119 and then 119. I remember this file. So not bad. This is a budget phone. It looks like the style is 5, but much smaller, obviously. So there you guys have it. The LG 102 now level 8. Level 8 prepaid. So yeah, check it out if you guys are interested. Currently it's not like on the website. It's kind of out of stock. You gotta know the channel stores. So check it out with Walmart and Best Buy. Just like that for the channel if you guys are interested. So there you guys have it. The LG 102 and AT&T prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have listened a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Anybody wants to watch another video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.